Welcome back. I am surrounded by children because today, what are we doing?
Making another costume.
We're making another costume. When you were kids, the costumes you wanted versus the costumes you want now. Like Scott wanted to be an orca, you wanted to be like an astronaut. You know?
When did I?
When you were a kid. Anyway.
Yeah, grade 2.
See, grade 2. And then now, when you guys ask for costumes, you're like, I want to look pretty. I want to look like a girl. That's what we're gonna make today. It's basically what you said in your minds. So for Ash, she wants to be a Christmas angel. So we're gonna make her some angel wings.
Like the one on top of the tree.
We're gonna turn her into 1996 Claire Danes from Romeo and Juliet. And then Katie wants a top hat because she's going to be a girly snowman.
Yeah. It's really cute.
This is what I mean. Like, it's so funny because when she said I want to be a snowman, in my head, oh, okay, there's still one kid. And then she sent me the picture of the kind of snowman she wants to be. Insert photo here. She's not a kid anymore, guys.
Liam, do you want a costume?
What's she gonna do?
We'll bring it to the Christmas party.
So what we need to do is I need to enlist all of you children to help make feathers.
Oh, so this is.
So what we need to do is cut out the wing shape. Figure out how to attach it to your body, but first...
Like I'll make a hole and then we're gonna put like string.
Elastic. I have elastic.
Yeah.
We can use that.
Should we draw it first?
Let's draw it first. That's a very good idea. 19 and a half. 19 and...
Not really and a half.
19 and...
Basically a half.
6. Okay?
Let's see.
Actually, these should be 20. This should be 20 across.
say 20.
Because that's the size of this illustration board.
Then 10.
Sure it is.
Yeah, Lee, it's 10. Duh.
Duh. 20 is already way too first.
I don't even know you.
Basically 10.
Dude, it's not even 10.
Let's
How
just
is it
say
not
it's
10?
Let's just move
this
it
is
back
not-
a few lines.
This is not 20 at all. National Bookstore lied to me.
I was gonna say that.
How long the elastic should be and where we should put it so we know the gap that we have to leave in between for the wings. Okay, loosen this. Like that, like a backpack. Look, like this. And then
It's
it
basically
goes like out like this.
yeah, it's basically like that. So there's like small feathers and then big feathers. The small feathers are just like that,
Yeah.
and then the big feathers
And
are the
then-
ones going out.
Let's say if this is our shape, then the biggest feather we'll have should be about this big. Oh yeah, we have more than enough cartolina for this. I'll make a test feather, and then once we decide on the size of the feathers, then you guys can cut out feathers. So like cut out the cartolina.
Have you ever tried recording something that's really good and you forgot to press record?
All the time.
And then what do you do?
Do it again. This is so much easier when I was doing the orca on my own. It's like I have a little factory of elves to help me.
This is 5.5.
You're Santa.
So can't I
or
just
the
fold it and make...
Roped into Atzi's costume.
Because he went up and started talking to us, and then now he's trapped doing this. Sorry, Liam.
I mean, I'd much rather do this than like boring stuff.
True. So like this and then goes out like that.
Yeah.
I think that's fine.
Oh.
I think it would be nice. Let's just take one sacrificial one and curl it. Dangerous.
Yeah, I know you're feeling that. You're like,
I like living on the edge. To make the feathers look more realistic, like this, so they're not just flat pieces, we're gonna take a metal edge and then just kind of curl the edges like this. It's just, I don't know, it just gives it a little more texture and variety.
Would you rather go to school or lie down in bed all day and do nothing?
But all day.
I'll do nothing.
I know, right? And mom's like, that doesn't make sense. But it does, because it's better.
I'm gonna grab a chair.
Thank you.
Would you rather lie down all day, do nothing, or go to school?
Go to school
Why?
so I can see my friends.
Wait, should we position it first? I don't know what to do.
Dang, this looks like a chicken feather. What is happening? I'm gonna go like this. I'm just gonna wing it.
No.
There, and then you just glue on the feather. Let me see. Oh, you know what? On camera, not so bad. Okay, turn around.
It's like every man houses.
Look, it's really not that bad.
Cricket.
It's the next day, the kids aren't here. I've decided that I kind of want to paint a bit of the feathers gold just to give it like a little sheen. So my niece started doing it yesterday, but the gold pen that we were using was running out of ink. So I'm just gonna go over it with this gold. See how that kind of just catches the light? So I think that'll just be really pretty when she's dancing on stage. Together this ice cream sundae and we were talking the whole time, but it turns out I was filming in slow motion!
Yay!
Yay! I hope you enjoyed the footage anyway. Excellent. Just hold it out like that and he'll eat it. Why would you smirk? Why?
Is it edible?
Not for you. Go.
Oh, I thought you were making do a
Go
trick.
like this.
Wow, he hit so fast.
That's because you held it for so long. He was freaking out. Look at his face.
Isn't these good?
Isn't that so cute?
Is it like ice cream bag?
Sit. Down. Roll over. Did you see? Did you see? Did you
So
see?
cute, so cute.
Again. Sit. Down. Okay, we're here to continue your costume. We'll continue painting some of the leaves gold to give it a little bit of dimension. But we need to make a halo, right?
Yeah.
I guess I'll try to make the wire structure for your halo. What is it that you wanted to do to this white dress? Do you want to try it on?
Yeah.
And see what we need to do with it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. So the straps, shorten the straps like a lot.
Like a
this
lot?
much. Let's tie it.
Look at the front so you can see.
Turn around. Oh, so do you want it to fall here?
Yeah.
Like that? Okay, turn around. I guess we can sew it here in the back. That would make more sense. I need pins. Do you like it?
Yeah.
This is how much we cut off to make it from mom's dress to your dress.
Mom, this is how much we
And
cut
then
off.
we remove some of the straps so we can cut off this excess. Yeah, it fits you perfectly now.
Mom, don't watch your videos.
Ouch.
The slit is like in my underwear.
The slit you can fix. I'll teach you how. All right, let me show you how to sew it and then you can sew it. Come on. So this is the slit that you want to fix, right?
Yeah.
So let's put a pin here so you know to stop sewing when you get to this point. And then we're just gonna do a straight stitch. Super easy.
Just like you have to.
These are your 2 threads. You gotta make sure you don't lose those. So let's put that there. We have to rethread it. It's gonna take time. It's annoying.
You should have like
So-
you wanna know like that, Bob.
Focus! So hold on to these 2 threads so they don't disappear. And then you hand crank it first. 1. Can you feel it? It's pulling on the thread.
Yeah.
So if you don't hold it, the thread would just get sucked up there and then we'd have to redo it. Okay, you can let go now. It's done.
Oh.
And then you can pull out the needle because that's already in place. And then slowly step on it. Slowly step. Go. Stop. Hold this. You got a back stitch. Go. And then forward. That way it won't unravel. But slowly. Step slowly so the needle isn't... Slow. Like, don't press down so hard like a lead foot. That's why it's getting crooked. You need to
Okay, wait, let me stand up.
Oh, no, that's not gonna help.
Like I'm driving, Bob.
Yeah, just what? Why do you drive standing up?
Are you ready?
No. Okay, better. Keep going. Don't stop. This is so crooked. It's so crooked. I don't even know why. Go. Keep going just a little bit, just like a teeny tiny bit. More. Stop. Yeah, sure, why not? Alright,
You want to drive it with me, Dino?
No.
I can't control.
So they decided that the front of the wings, which is just the black illustration board, needed a little more flair. So my little worker elves are on the floor, busily making more golden feathers. It's so annoying because it wasn't until after we had finished everything that I realized I actually had this really pretty thin gold paper that would have been perfect for the feathers because it's just like really light and fluffy. So we're gonna use that for the front of the wings. It's still gonna come in handy. Ta-da! They look so good! Okay, come closer. Ooh! Okay, we just need to fix these ones. So what we're gonna do is cut out some more feathers in white and probably just stick them here to cover that because that was the back of the gold paper that I found. But turn around. Wow!
This part's actually so pretty.
It's so pretty. It worked out so well. And what we need to work on now is the armature for her halo. We're going to make use of this wire. I used to make wire jewelry, so I have all this like random wire of different gauges that I haven't used in years. So we're gonna use this, and then the plan is to create like a structure that goes, a structure that can go on her headband. It'll go up and then around. And Ach, did you want to are you gonna crochet yourself a halo?
Yeah.
Because this girl has mad crochet skills. So I just need her to crochet like a white band all around the round part, and that can be her halo. So that's what we're gonna work on now. So I haven't been filming about this particular DIY in a while because I started working on little DIY presents for my friends, and I couldn't show them on camera because I don't want to preempt my surprise. But this is how far I've gotten with the halo. I don't know if you can see that. So what I did was I basically purchased a plastic headband thing, and then I wrapped around the wire that I showed you last time. Ta-da! To create, I just twisted it around itself several times to give it this structure because otherwise it was way too flimsy. And then we found some silver ribbon that I looped around the whole thing to hide all of the wire. And she found this headpiece, like this little floral beaded headpiece thing that she really liked, and she asked me to incorporate it. So what I did was I took that apart, and now I'm just kind of winding that wire around and around again around the halo, which I think was a really good idea on her part to add, because I do feel like it just gives it a little bit more of a sparkle and dimension. So yeah, this is how it's looking so far. This is actually the last thing. So after this, you've basically seen everything. I was just thinking to myself, if you are an active viewer in the DIY YouTube space, then you probably know creators like Christine McConnell, Rachel Maxey. I just noticed these DIY creators, they're very, very active in fall, in autumn, during spooky season, but I'm not really like a very spooky person. So I don't really do many DIY videos during that time. But Christmas is my season, I have come to realize, because that's when I make the most amount of stuff. Look at that. That's done. Hang on, let me put it on so you can see it on. Not the sturdiest thing in the world, I'll admit, but cute, no? So I was editing the vlog when I realized I didn't actually finish this video. I have been pestering my niece like crazy to film after clips of the completed costume, which she hasn't sent me yet, so here's hoping that she does. If she doesn't get a chance to do it, then I guess follow me on Instagram. I'll be sure to grab a few clips of my own of her in full costume, and I'll post it there if I can't make it in time for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!